how to fix Messenger not working. Hello guys, Ilya here, and today we are going to try to fix this problem. So all we need is just to open our Messenger. As you can see, I'm on this page. Of course, make sure that you have a latest version. So all we need is just to open your App Store or Google Play or Play Market, and then just try to search for Messenger, and then just make sure that you have a latest version. So if you'll try to open the page or the app, we can see that there is like only update option here. So of course we need to update, because sometimes the reason Messenger not working is because you didn't have the latest version, so it won't be able to like work for you. So as you can see, now we successfully updated and we are ready to continue. If nothing fixed, then we need to do something like this. We need to open our Messenger and then just click on more in the left top corner, right up here, to open this toggle menu, and then just click on settings on this page in the right top corner on this blue icon. So after that, we have some options here. We need to click on report a problem. So it's a button on the screen, so just scroll down and find report a problem. And then I suggest you to click on include to include our logs, to make sure that the Messenger support team will understand our problem. And after that, we need to choose a topic we need to fix. For example, search notifications. I like to choose other because sometimes there is a problem which couldn't be described with these topics. And now we need to write as more detailed as possible what's wrong with our like Messenger. So I'd like to say something like this: I can't review, for example, calls from the others. So basically we can also add some media. We can click on plus and add media. If you want to add like screenshots of your problem, you can also add them, and then it will be like easier for support to fix this problem. So then everything is done. We need to click on send, and this problem will be successfully sent to our like support team. And in a few maybe hours or 1 or 2 days, the Messenger support team will help us to fix this problem. They will probably fix it by themselves, or they will send us the instruction of how can we do this. Of course, we can also go to help here and read for some topics we can fix by ourselves, but sometimes it could be hard to fix some direct problems. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorial. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.